Hello friends, welcome back to day 10 of Let's Color with Crayola. Today we'll color this flower. I'm so excited to color this leaf. I'm not going to color it in this ordinary green color. Today it will be a very beautiful leaf. But let's color the flower first and then we'll go to the leaf. And that combo is my favorite combo for the leaf. But I'll start with the flower first. For the flowers, I'm going to use golden yellow, yellow and daffodil. So it's golden yellow, my god, this is golden yellow, yellow and daffodil. Okay, so let's start with daffodil. I'll color the whole flower with daffodil first, light layers. Okay, now this is golden yellow and I'll darken the highlights, the shadow area. I think this is not very sharp. Let me sharpen first and then I'll come back. This also, the mid-tone is also not very sharp. I'm sorry. Okay. So this is golden yellow again, the darker. So wherever it is shadows, I'm going to darken that. I want the flower to be very simple. I don't want the attention to go to the flower. So I'm keeping the flower simple. In this portrait, in this illustration, it's the leaf that is going to be the most beautiful. That is my favorite leaf combo. I have used this leaf combo in a few illustrations. I don't remember which one. I think it was Rita Berman's book. I think Zoland. Yeah. Now I'll bring the mid-tone, which is yellow, and blend. I'll leave the highlights. I won't touch the highlights, just a little. I'll once again go over this area. Just a few areas where I feel it's very light. And then the lightest daffodil. Those places where I think it looks white, only those areas I'm going over with the daffodil. I want the flower to be in the background. I don't want to be too bright. Okay, and now comes the hero of the illustration, the leaf. So the way I'm going to do the leaf is, I'll color half of the leaf in blue, green, and the other half in purple pink. Okay, so let's start. For the blue green, I'll use dark blue, blue, sky blue, turquoise, aqua green, and sea green. So I won't use my, no, let's start with the blue green, dark blue. So this is dark blue. Let me do this leaf first, and then that way it will be easy for to see. Dark blue, then blue. What is this? Oh, sorry, I picked up the wrong blue. Just a minute. Sorry, I'm back. Sorry, I had brought the long blue. Now this is blue, and then comes sky blue, and now comes turquoise, and then aqua green, and then sea green. Okay, so let's do this together. This one, same, dark blue, then blue. This should be very light, don't make it very dark, otherwise it'll ruin the picture, because we don't want very heavy pressure there. Sky blue, if you want to know how much pressure you should put while using pencils, there is a tutorial I've done on how to blend colors, where I talk about how much pressure and how do you gauge the pressure. So this is turquoise. Now it's the time to put a little pressure and blend everything, but stop in midway. Then comes your aqua green, and your sea green. Okay, so now we leave it here. Now we bring the pinks for the other side of the leaf, and for the pinks I'm using orchid, magenta, tickle me pink, pink flamingo, and salmon. Okay, so let's start with orchid. This is orchid, yeah. And then comes magenta, and then comes your pink flamingo, then comes your tickle me pink, and then your salmon. Sorry, I didn't notice that it had gone out of focus. I'm sorry. I'll do another leaf, but I'm not very happy with the shadow, so I'll use my dark blue 53, no, my blue. Okay, I'll use my blue to create more shadows here. Use very light layers, don't use very heavy layers. The thing is, when blue mixes with pink, it creates a purplish shade, and that's what I want here. Very light blue. Okay, now I'll go over that with my orchid. And don't bring it up to here, just a little bit. And now bring the magenta, blend the two. You want the blue to be an undertone, not a color as such. See, you understand what I mean? Just an undertone. There should be a little hint of blue there, but no blue as such. I think I can leave like that, but I'll go over that with pink flamingo. I love that color. It has a bright pink. And then I'll bring my salmon and cover the whites. How do you like it? Let's do this. I'll turn the page so that it's okay. I'll do the orchid. Since it's a very small leaf, I'm not bringing blue. Magenta, flamingo, tickle my pink. I'm leaving a little bit of white for the salmon. I'll do the same here for the, are you able to see, or am I, let me move my, okay, I'll do once again. Are you able to see? Yep. Orchid, magenta. I'm bringing blue again now. Just a hint of blue. Go over that with orchid. Then bring the magenta. See, it's turned purplish. Pink flamingo. Tickle me pink. And salmon. Okay, same here. I think I did little blue here. I don't remember what I did, but looks like blue. Since this will be pink, I want pink here and blue here. So let's do the pink here. So I want blue again, a little undertone. I'll keep it aside. Go over with orchid. Now I bring my magenta. Can you see? Yeah. Pink flamingo. Tickle me pink. And salmon. I don't like the way it's blending. I'll bring my magenta and try to blend a little bit so that the blend is smooth. Yep. It looks like a little white salmon. I'll cover the white with salmon. Okay. So this part is done. Let's do the blues again. Okay, for the blues, I'll bring my dark blue. Can you see now? This is a small leaf, so I'll skip the dark blue. I'll use blue. I think I've already done blue here. Then I bring my sky blue. And then my turquoise, sorry, not aqua green, it's turquoise. And then I bring aqua green. I leave a little bit of white for the sea green. And then I bring sea green and blend everything. Not this side, only the blue side. Isn't this pretty? Just wow. I really love this. So for the background, if I bring in another color, that will compete with this because there's already 3 colors. So I think I'll go with yellow, just a little hint of yellow, and so that the leaves are in the foreground, I'll bring yellow and golden yellow, and that's it. That's all I want. I don't want anything else to pop. Just a little hint of yellow, that's it. And this is golden yellow. That's it. Now comes the gel pen. This is yellow. I'm not sure if it would even be visible. I'll use a yellow gel pen for the inner thing. I'm not sure if it will be visible.